Chinese brands have been evolving and growing all the time. Now in this video, let's talk about the number one Chinese brand, HAIER. Did you know that HAIER's refrigerator business started off as a struggling business way back in China? And they slowly grown into a leader in cooling appliances. Through quality improvement, global expansion, innovation, and strategic acquisitions, HAIER remains a dominant force in refrigerator industry worldwide until today. At HAIER, they are committed to delivering quality products with zero defects to ensure ultimate customer satisfaction. So HAIER was founded in 1984 in Qingdao, China. And through years of product quality, innovation, and brand building, it has grown to become the top refrigerator brand in China in the 1990s. They also expanded their R&D and manufacturing centers to US, Europe, Southeast Asia, and also Middle East. Soon after, in around 2000s, HAIER became one of the world's largest refrigerator brand that most of the homes that they were seen using one of HAIER's products. HAIER's product focuses on freshness and also preservation. Hence, all their technology prioritize and focus on that. Have you ever noticed sometimes when you open the refrigerator door, it doesn't feel cold inside? That's because the motor stops working to defrost the frost built up inside. During this process, the heat is usually transferred back into the fridge compartments, and that's why you feel the difference. This is a common issue across entire refrigeration market. To stop this, HAIER has introduced the Fresher Shield. It acts as a barrier to prevent heat from re-entering the compartments during the defrosting process, keeping your food fresher and longer. They've added even more features to ensure that food is fresh and also well preserved. Because at the end of the day, if the fridge cannot keep our food fresh, then what's the point? One of the standout technologies is HCS, or Humidity Control System. In tests conducted with and without this feature, vegetables lasted up to twice as long when HCS was enabled. It helps maintain optimal humidity levels in specific zones, preventing vegetables from drying up easily. Have you ever noticed that sometimes your vegetables feel frosty even though they are kept in a fridge compartment? This is caused by uneven cooling. And HAIER's multi-zone air cooling system solves it by ensuring consistent airflow throughout the fridge. This helps prevent frost build-up and keeps your food in optimal condition. It's all these small, thoughtful features that makes a difference in the refrigeration world. And they are what sets HAIER apart from the rest. Not just in terms of design or energy efficiency, but most importantly, in its commitment to keeping food fresh. And with all that said, you should know by now that HAIER is one of the legendary refrigerator brands that you should look out for.